Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I am going to demonstrate on how to fill in the personal details within the complete profile section for any employee inside the employee directory of KEBS. Once the employee has been hired through the initiate hire option, all the data that has been entered by the HR are present within the system. However, certain data will not be captured during the initial stages of the hiring process. In that case, the details that are missing can be entered for any employee by clicking on the Complete Profile button. In the landing page of the employee directory, the complete profile scores for the same is displayed. Once clicked, all the details that need to be entered for the profile to be completed is displayed. Here, under personal details, all the existing details are autofilled and all the new details which are supposed to be missing can be updated here. The details could be personal details, the office credentials, address details, the emergency contact, and personal interests are the same. Once all the mandatory fields are filled, this particular section can be marked as completed within the complete profile option by clicking on the Save and Next button. And against the personal details, a green tick mark is displayed. And once we go back, the profile completion score for the particular person will be increased. Thank you for watching.